and presence in various markets. As of now, we are present in 5 states, and Telangana is going to be our 6th state. Maharashtra was the place from where our company started its journey. Then once the Palamner plant was started, we entered into Karnataka, we entered into Andhra Pradesh, and then Tamil Nadu. Recently, we launched our products in Chhattisgarh, which is close to Maharashtra, and in next coming months, we would be consolidating our position in different cities of Tamil Nadu. But as I told you, Telangana is going to be our 6th state where our milk would be launched. As I told you, that India is a milk-loving country. So total milk market size of the country is very huge. It's 80,000 crore. So among all the dairy products, liquid milk commands the highest share. So 80,000 crore is the total market size. If we talk about Hyderabad, Hyderabad consumes about 24 lakh liters a day. 24 lakh liters a day, which is a huge market size, which translates into almost 3,500 crore per annum. And if we talk about the all India market size of milk, out of 80,000 crore, which is of course organized as well as unorganized, 45,000 alone is the packed milk market. And again, Hyderabad as well as entire country's milk market is growing quite rapidly, almost on 8 to 10% per annum. So if we talk about only Hyderabad, 24 lakh litre growing at the rate of 8 to 10%, that means 2 lakh litre additional demand is generated every year. So it's a huge, huge market size, and there is a space for all the new entrants in the country. As I told you, Hyderabad is different from other cities that it's already commanding 70 to 75% packaged milk share. In other cities of the country, the contribution of packaged milk is in the range of say 50 to 55%. In some cities, it may be even lower than or in the range of 30%. But Hyderabad is one city where the penetration of packed milk is very high, but still there's a lot to grow. And of course, there are reasons for growth. As far as our plants are concerned, we would be launching with fresh milk, which is a toned milk variant. MRP would be 42 rupees. It is different from other competition that it has got a high total solids. It has been formulated, or it would be suiting to the local needs of the taste. And initially, it would be available in 200 ml and 500 ml pack size. Followed by fresh milk launch, it would be followed by launch of Govardhan Tea Star. This is again a very innovative product. It has got a low fat but high protein content, and it gives a better whitening to the tea and coffee. And it is also suitable for those who want lower fat. This milk would be priced at rupees 40 per litre. And along with milk and along with fresh milk and Tea Star, we would be launching fresh curd also in pouches, which would be priced at rupees 12 for 200 gram pouch. Initially, in the first phase, we would be launching in Hyderabad and twin city of Hyderabad, that is Secunderabad. And within 6 to 9 months period, we would be expanding our network to other nearby cities, which is Warangal, Nizamabad, and Karimnagar. Just to give, as Mr. Mahesh has told in his initial speech, that we are known for innovations. Even in our logo, you can see the idea for a new day. So every day we work on some innovation. Our product is different from any other product in the market. Our approach to the market is different. So same way, we would try to do some innovations, try to do something different in the market, which would involve a different kind of transportation through refrigeration system. Then we would have a network of own retail outlets in Hyderabad as well as in other cities of the Telangana. And we plan that in next 2 years, we should have at least a network of 100 exclusive retail outlets. These are the pictures of kind of outlets we have got in other cities. And then innovative consumer schemes. So this is what I wanted to share with you about our Hyderabad launch plans. And now I would request our chairman, Mr. Devendra Shah, to address the gathering, and then after that unveil the product. Thank you.